Hello guys, hope you all are good. Today I have installed 7 3D 2025 and when I opened it, the menu bar was missing. So this video is about how to get that menu toolbar back again. As you can see, if we go to new, you see there is no toolbar showing up here. Right, so how to get that back? So it's quite simple. We just have to go to the icon C here, right? Drop down it, then go to options. Here we have to look for profiles. Under profiles you can see Imperial Metric AutoCAD. So let's try AutoCAD and see. And we got all the tools back here with just with the simple method. And again you have to go to choose between Imperial, Metric and AutoCAD. Just drop down it, options and then profiles. Here we have Imperial AutoCAD. You can export other types of profiles too. That's, that's all for now. And if you like the video, do subscribe the channel. And if you want me to make more videos about certain topics and problems you are facing, comment down. Okay, take care.